Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox Poetic cases for the Pixel 6a. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So again, I want to thank you all for taking a look at my channel and watching the video. Please smash the like button and subscribe if you guys like my content. So anyways, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Pixel 6a. Well, not the Pixel 6a, but Poetic cases for the Pixel 6a. So shout out to Poetic for sending these two cases out to me. I want to check them both out for you. Usually they are, I guess, more rugged cases than I would like, but let's take a look. They sent, this one is the Pixel Poetic Guardian case for the Pixel 6a black clear. So let's take a look. I already kind of pre-unboxed them just so I can, let's go ahead and put this one aside for now, and then we'll get the other one going, guys. And hopefully everyone's doing good. Let's take a look here. Let's go ahead and chunk the box aside here. And again, usually these will come with several little things here, like to clean the screen and instructions if you guys don't know how to use it. And if you really don't know how to use put on a case, you can use that QR code. Again, I'm gonna check this out really quick. So here is the case itself, and usually Poetic cases will come with two attachments. One will have a cover that will protect the glass, and then the other one will just be plain. So I usually go with the one that doesn't cover the glass, and the reason being is because I just don't like the plasticky feeling of the other one. So let's go ahead and get this one taken out really quick. I might need a unboxing on how to take this off, but let's take a look here really quick. Oh goodness, hold on, let's peel this off. And for you ASMR people, yeah, you guys like that? Yeah. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and continue to peel this off. There you go. That took me longer than I wanted to. And again, same thing for this case right here. Let's see. Man, they wrap these in plastic really good, by the way. So here we go. Okay, and again, this one is the case. It's a clear case. So again, you'll be able to see that nice white back for the Pixel 6a, which a lot of people will like if you guys have a colored version. I have the colored version. Some people will have the charcoal, and some people will have the sage. And again, for those people that want that plastic cover, this is a cover for the front. Again, I'm not a big fan of that, so I'm going to go ahead and just pop that off. So really, it's super simple. I'm going to put that aside really quick. Super simple. What you want to do is you want to get this portion first, and you want to slap it on top here to the front. So I just got to make sure it's matching. It looks like this portion goes to the bottom. You always want to make sure that the bottom matches up first. Kind of clamp that on to the front, and then you just kind of have to sink this in. That's all it is. Pretty simple. Let's see if we can squeeze that in. So here we go. Here's the case, guys. Let's take a look. Again, you can kind of get a better shot here of that. Let's take a look here. Hopefully it's focusing. I'm hoping it's focusing. Looks like it has like a little thing here. I guess that's for the microphone. You can see here the bottom is protected by the your USB Type-C port. It does have a little protection here, so when the phone's in your pocket or whatever, I guess you won't get dust or lint in there, which I'm not a huge fan of when it comes to cases, because again, if I'm charging the phone, I don't want to have to be opening this every time. But that's just me. But either way, here you go. It does the speaker grills are uncovered in the back, and it does leave a nice little cutout for the camera sensors there, guys. Again, it's not too crazy. Hold on, let's see if I can. There we go. See if I can focus a little bit. I feel like the camera's not focusing, and it's a pretty solid case. Again, I know Poetic was asking me, can you do a drop test? Okay, let's do a drop test. Again, I wouldn't say that's super high. That's about a foot, maybe a foot high. And I know people are saying, why are you doing this to your brand new Pixel 6a? My buddy Tito's probably going crazy right now, but look at the edges on this. I mean, even if I drop this from a higher, I would definitely trust this to not shatter, or at least this. You would literally have to have the phone fall on like something, like really, what's the word? I guess sharp or edgy, for the screen to crack, or like at a very, very high speed. And even then, probably only the corners would get cracked. So again, there is the here. I mean, that is the. Let me rephrase. This is the Guardian Poetic case for the Pixel 6a, and I will be posting the link down below. Let's go ahead and get the other case set up here. All right, and here is the other case, guys. Let's take a look at the back really quick so we can get the name of this case here. See if I can tap to focus. This one is the Revolution Pixel 6a case, and so sometimes these cases kind of look alike, honestly. Like, again, I want to give Poetic a big shout out for sending these out to me always, because again, these are cases that I don't have to pay for on these new devices. And again, you know, it's just one of those deals where, you know, again, I really appreciate them sending the stuff out because they don't have to, and they definitely are very nice, and they send the stuff out to my channel. So big shout out to them again. This is again the Revolution case, or actually no, the Revolution Revolution for. So the other one was the Guardian, this one's the Revolution, and this one is a little more meaty. Let's go ahead and put this one aside for now. So as you can tell here, again, the front does have that padded front, so that if you want, you can have protection for your glass. You know, again, I don't normally use those, by the way, because again, I just feel like they get ugly after a while. This one, of course, full protection on the back, though, opposed to the other case, which I will just put next to you guys so you guys can kind of see and compare. And this one already does have fingerprints on there. I don't know if you guys can catch that or not, but it does have fingerprints. So this one obviously a little more rugged in the back, and also it does have a kickstand. So if I wanted to pull that up and watch a movie or something like that, I can definitely do that. So let's go ahead and pull this off. And again, I'm probably going to just use the same front from the other phone because it's the same exact thing. It's literally the same exact thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop that on really quick and then put it back on the phone here. Again, super easy to do, guys. And again, you're just going to basically slide the phone in, and that's it. It's super easy. Like, I really love how easy it is, like putting these cases in, you know. Boom, check that out. If people want to know what the fingerprint sensor is like on the Pixel 6a. It's really not that bad, honestly. Let's try that again. Boom, there you go. That 1080 display. So again, let's go ahead and take a look at this case really quick, you know, again. And oh, I love the lighting there. Very, very rugged, guys. This one I feel is a little bit more rugged than the other one. And it's definitely a lot thicker than the other case, the Guardian case, which again, you know, if you guys are into bulkier cases, this might be it for you, especially if you want that protection. Again, it has both cutouts on the bottom. Now, of course, by no means is this case like waterproof or anything like that. Even if you wanted it to be, you know, you're still going to get some water in the case because of these cutouts for the holes, and then the microphone on the back. You know, you can see the fingerprint buttons are pretty well placed. You know, I mean, you can definitely feel them. Ooh, I like how it's tracking my finger. Pretty cool. You know, they're definitely there. You can definitely feel them. And it was the same for the other case. You know, if that's something I forgot to show you guys, but it's the same for the other case. You know, the buttons are pretty laid out. I feel like the one on this case are a little more out. You know, they feel like a little more, like you can feel them a little more in the hands. And overall, this case just feels a lot like meatier in the hands. I can tell you that much. But again, I think if I were to use that, it's for that. It's for the little kickstand right there, just so I can, you know, put the phone down while I'm at work or something like that. You know, if I'm on break or I'm on lunch and I want to watch a show or a movie or a YouTube video, right, or a YouTube video review of BTech reviews. But you know, again, this is pretty cool. I mean, again, I don't know if this is how solid this is. You can tell that little back part kind of pokes out a little bit. Kind of have to get it to snap for it to work. And just the design of it overall, guys, look at that. I love the little P for Poetic. It's a very nice looking case, and I'm definitely, you know, very impressed by this case. And of course, you know, you do have a lot of protection for that camera backing right there, just because again, it does kind of have an indentation on the inside of that, so the camera actually doesn't poke out, which a lot of like other cases will have the camera cutout poke out. Not in this one. This one, it's inside. So again, if you drop it, you're gonna have a lot of protection on that. And it was the same thing for the other case as well. So I got to give Poetic a shout out for making some very nice rugged cases. Usually these cases range between $15 and $25. So again, guys, I'm going to go ahead and post up the link in the description down below so you guys can check that out. Again, this one is the Revolution case, and the other case was the Google Pixel 6a Guardian case. So again, guys, Mike from BTech Reviews signing off. Don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.